always support our veterans, everyone. We've got a mandate coming straight at silver, this metal, and gold. It's coming at us June 12th. And what this mandate is it's called Form PF. And most people don't know about this. It's not in your world because it has to do with hedge funds, private equity funds. They have to fill out this form, and it tells the government, tells the overriding federal agencies like this SEC, CFTC, these agencies that oversee metals, right, like silver and gold. It gives those agencies a heads up as to what's coming down the pike. If there's something dangerous coming, some kind of issue. And now what happens is because there's this new mandate and this deadline. Here, check this out. This is just the site that those hedge funds and those private equity managers, they need to look at. And it's showing that, sure, if they detect any signs of early trouble, right, particularly the SEC and the CFTC, like any risky behavior that could crash markets, they're looking to see if they need to respond faster. If there's a financial crisis, they're looking to see if there's any trends that could impact commodities, particularly oil and gold, right? So now that there's this new mandate coming down, if big funds become more cautious due to this new strict oversight, if they get more cautious, they might reduce their speculative positions in metals, and that could lower prices for these metals. Silver, certainly, gold. And on the other hand, with all this increased transparency, it might actually, on the other hand, boost confidence. And that could encourage more investment in metals. So this could really move the price of silver, just like we've been waiting for months for silver to move. Now, if the new rules reveal any risk and funds start selling off assets to comply, that, of course, could give us a short-term dip in gold, in silver. And again, if we're looking for a buy price in these metals, if you're waiting, then this could be the moment. So that just tells me that when we have changes like this coming down June 12th, that's what I look for. So if you're holding out, I'm not telling you financial advice. I'm just telling you what's coming down the pike. If you're holding out, then this could be a really sweet moment to look at. You know, this could be a good time to either jump in, or if you're looking for a sell price, right, this could be your time, June 12th. So check it out. And hey, get your own silver. Thank you, Money Metals Exchange, for sponsoring this channel. It's a great contest they have. They're giving away 20 American Silver Eagles. You just click that link in the description here in this video. Every month they're giving away, they're choosing one person every month. They give away 20 American Silver Eagles. So get in on that contest. It's a lot of fun. Don't you miss it.